What's up, people of YouTube? Check out my new guitar. I love this thing. Also, this guitar strap, if you want a chance to win this bad boy, make sure to stick around at the end of the video to find out how. Hey, what's up, people of YouTube? This is Nani from Couch Guitar Straps. We make the world's best guitar straps. And today, I want to make a new guitar strap for my new SG that I made from a kit. I love this thing. It was easy to put together, fun to put together. And I upgraded the body kit that I got with some Filtertrons from guitarfetish.com. They have really great prices on pickups. I love these Filtertron pickups. They're like a mix between a humbucker and a single coil. So you get a lot of that bottom end bite. You get a lot of that single coil top end sound too. I also upgraded the Tune-O-Matic bridge, and I got some new Wilkinson locking tuners so that it'll stay in tune. So our goal today is to go into the warehouse, find a fabric that looks good with this brown, silver, black, and gold setup, and we're gonna make a guitar strap from scratch. So come with me to the warehouse and let's find something to cut up. Here we are in the fabric storage area of Couch Guitar Straps. This is where we house our many rolls of fabric that we have found and curated throughout the many years of being a business. I think we've been around for 20 years. So here I have a bunch of different brown colors. This one's kind of like a goldish, Cadillac-y kind of brown. Here we have a darker, almost walnut brown. Here we have like a lighter chocolate brown, like a milk chocolate. I think we're gonna go with this. I think I'm gonna go with this color for the body. Okay, so I've gone ahead and cut the brown. Here it is. It's not quite the same color, but it'll still look really good, I think. So for this custom one-off guitar strap, I'm gonna be using black on the back side. So we do have our pre-cut black. Now we get these rolls cut at a factory in LA that cuts these for us. The machine is enormous. So if we wanted to, we could totally get one, but they don't make them anymore. They were made in like the 1950s, 1960s. And so there's like 4 of them in the area, and you have to kind of know where to find them. Luckily, we've been doing this for about 20 years, so we kind of know where to get things done around here. Of course, because of the classic rock nature of this guitar, I know exactly what I want to add on the top of the guitar to make it mwah. So here are our dies. We get these made custom. They are all different shapes, and they are basically giant cookie cutters. They go on this machine that punches them down and gets out the perfect shape every time. So here is the die for our mega bolt. It is a gigantic bolt that runs up to about your shoulder, depending on how much or how you wear your strap. And these are pretty rad, custom designed for us from a shop in Texas. We're here with our gold vinyl. Gold sparkle, look at that, it's beautiful, right? Okay, I'm gonna punch this out. It's gonna get a little loud when I turn this machine on. The bolts always come out just a little fuzzy on the edges, so every single one of these we actually go and we hand snip every side of that. So I'm just going ahead here and trimming all the edges, getting all that excess fabric off of the sides. And while I do this, I'd like to say thanks to you for watching. If you like what you see, make sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff that YouTube has you do, and to make sure to follow us at Couch Guitar Straps on Instagram and TikTok and all those social media places. This is my Pfaff 1245 sewing machine. It's an industrial sewing machine. It's super tough. It can cut through leather, it can cut through vinyl, anything. And its nickname is Thready Roosevelt. All right, let's sew this bad boy up. I'm going to be giving it this bronze hardware instead of the silver that we sometimes put on. Now these are custom stamped with our logo on it. It's kind of hard to see. There we go, boom. Custom stamped couch guitar straps, tri-glides. That's what these are called, by the way, tri-glides, or slide bars. All right, here it is. A gold bolt for our SG. Brown and gold, made from scratch. I think that looks pretty nice. And if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. You are one step closer to winning a free couch guitar strap. That's right, folks. This strap right here, I will be giving away to one of our lucky subscribers. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll probably give this away by next week. Today is July 18th. So by next week, I will be giving this strap away on Friday. So make sure to stay tuned to our Couch Guitar Straps channel, like us on Instagram, all that. That's not what's gonna qualify you for the contest. What's gonna qualify you is subscribing. So good luck to you, and hope you're having a great day. Go play some guitar.